Hello! Welcome back to HTVronT YouTube channel. Today we will compare the effects between DTF and sublimation HTV, which will be applied to the cotton materials. This is the DTF which has already been printed and powder melted. This is the sublimation HTV which finished cut. If you need the tutorial, please click the link in the upper right corner. Transferring DTF firstly. Warm peel or cold peel? Now let's iron the clear HTV. Cold peel. Sublimation is next. Warm peel and done. Now, everything already sublimated. Hand feel, both feel soft. Effect. The effect on sublimation HTV is vibrant, but the effect on DTF seems not good, cause the powder of DTF may be uneven. Recommended to add more powder on the image. Okay, let's wait 24 hours and wash. I'm back. This is the effect after washing. After washing, the color of the design basically maintains the effect before washing, and the DTF seems more modeled. There are three factors: the original image's color types, ink and powder, which will affect the DTF's presentation directly. If you use a large-scale pattern, I recommend to use clear HTV. Thank you for watching our videos for today. If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.